I also teach people how to build websites because my aim is to break people free from wage slavery. So by building websites, you have basically an online business, an online store where you can make money while you're sleeping. Okay, I obviously sell this book via my website and my teaching courses as well. Oh yes, definitely. I give you 100% money back guarantee. Because I stand behind this 100%. This stuff definitely really works.
I am Jody Peterson, and I'm here to tell you that as a result of doing one of Sheldon Arden's wealth creation courses, I've already started creating passive income streams, and I'm currently busy with a deal double my annual salary.